The possibilities of what you can create with AI are now endless. First, take a look at what I created, and then I'll show you how I did it.
It was the best moment of Phil's life. Bangkok, that's where he met Christina. And in a single moment, everything changed. Love at first sight, endless nights, a connection that felt unbreakable. They laughed, they fell harder with every second. And then, Phil took the leap. He got down on one knee. He popped the question.
Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
It was perfect. Until it wasn't. 'Cause every great love story has a truth waiting in the shadows.
There is something I need to tell you.
What? Tell me.
Please promise me you won't freak out.
Why would I freak out? You can tell me anything.
No, I want you to promise me first, please.
Okay, I promise. Now tell me.
I am not who you think I am.
What does that even mean? I don't understand.
How should I tell you this?
Bangkok, in theaters near you.
That was funny, right? If you get it. And now you can also create videos like this easily. I'm literally going to show you step by step just how easy it is to create videos like this. By following my method, you can create amazing videos, if not even better ones. With the right tools and techniques, you can truly unlock your creativity to the fullest. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, I created this video by generating the images using Nano Banana Pro and then turning them into videos with the Seedance 1.5 Pro model. For the images, I use the scene sequence generation method with Nano Banana Pro, which is very commonly used. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Now, I'm using a tool called Clipfly to create both images and videos because it has everything in one place, doesn't add any watermarks, and is way cheaper for creating images and videos. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see this interface. From here, click on Image Generate, and it will take you to this page. On the right side, you can already see my previous generations. As you can see, I've generated a lot of images and videos to make everything look as realistic as possible. Now, to generate the initial scene sequence, first click here and then select Nano Banana Pro. You can choose other generators if you like, but in my experience, Banana Pro works the best. Then I used this prompt. I specifically created this prompt to generate amazing scene sequences just by giving a single input here. Don't worry, I'll add this prompt in the description. After that, simply choose the resolution and aspect ratio and you're all set. This is the scene draft it created. Awesome, right? As you can see, it maintains perfect character consistency and visual style throughout the entire sequence. Using this method, you can create amazing content without breaking character or scene styles. So this is the first half of the sequence. Now for the next half of my video, I wanted to create a sequence of him proposing to her and then having a serious conversation afterward. To do that, I first went to the image-to-image option and again selected Nano Banana Pro from here. Then I uploaded the initial scene draft. After that, I used the exact same prompt, but this time I changed the input scene description. And that was pretty much it. This is what it created. Just look at how amazing this is. And the best part, the characters are perfectly consistent even in this scene sequence. I'm telling you, Nano Banana Pro is literally a cheat code. With the right technique, you can create incredible images like this with ease. Now to extract the images, here's what I did. I uploaded the sequence draft and then used this prompt. Just make sure you correctly mention the column and row numbers. That's all. Pretty easy, right? And this is the result. As you can see, it extracted the images perfectly without making any changes, which is exactly what I wanted. Now, this method might mess up sometimes, but a quick regeneration usually fixes it. Alternatively, you can individually screenshot a specific scene, upload it, and then upscale it. Yeah, that works too. So that's how I extracted the images, and I didn't extract all of them, only the ones that were actually useful for the video. Once the images were ready, I created the video using Seedance 1.5 Pro. It's very easy. First, switch to the image to video option from here, then select your preferred video model. I went with Seedance, but feel free to choose whichever one you like. Then I gave this prompt. As you can see, I kept it simple and clearly explained exactly what I wanted. You can turn this option on if you want audio. For this scene, I didn't want any audio, so I kept it off. After that, just hit generate, and here's the output. This looks awesome, right? The motion is very smooth with no distortions or morphing. The result is very high quality. The only complaint I have with Seedance 1.5 Pro is the output quality since it caps out at 720p. Other than that, everything is great. Now, for the scenes with dialogue, here's what I did. Again, I uploaded the image, then gave my prompt and mentioned the voice I wanted along with what I wanted the character to say. This time, I turned on the audio option, and that was pretty much it. This is the output.
There is something I need to tell you.
That was amazing. The tone of her voice, the emotions, the lip sync, it was spot on. This is better than VO, and it costs only a fraction of the credits that VO consumes. Seedance really cooked with this one. Amazing results. So this is how I created all the video clips one by one. And remember, I didn't get the results I wanted on my first try. I had to regenerate a few times to get something I liked, as you can see. Also, Clipfly consumes very few credits, which is a big plus. After that, I created the voiceover using 11 labs and then put everything into CapCut. I did a bit of editing, added background music, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. Now, by following this technique, you can also create amazing videos, and Clipfly makes everything very easy and affordable. If you look at the subscription prices, you'll see they're very reasonable. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this right now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.